How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the Personal Finance Takeover. My name's Sean, and this is my co host, Fabian. Today's episode is titled How to Make Passive Income Using Cryptocurrencies. If you enjoy this content, please consider downloading the episode and following us. Or if you're listening on YouTube, like and subscribe. As always, this is not investment advice, and we recommend you always do your own research before investing in anything.
Yeah, let's talk about passive income, one of my favorite ways of making income. So cryptocurrencies are currently hot right now. They're covered by the media, they're everywhere online. Everyone seems to be talking about them. One huge thing that just hit the news is that for those of you who are familiar with the Staples Center is actually going to be renamed to the crypto.com arena starting on December 25th, 2021. And that was a huge deal that costed over $700 million for them to acquire that naming right. So, yeah, crypto is everywhere. It's such a hot topic. So, if you're actually playing in that space, investing because you believe in it, then it's a good idea to, make some passive income off of it. One way to make passive income using cryptocurrency is staking your coins. So, there's a lot of different platforms that allow you to stake your cryptocurrency and actually earn interest off of them. So, the one we're going to be talking about today is the crypto.com. Just before we start, just want to, say that we are not sponsored or being paid by them. We just, decided to talk about them because we feel like they're the easiest platform to buy and sell coins and stake them and make some passive income.
All right, so let's go ahead and look at crypto.com staking requirements. You have several options when you stake your coins. There's a flexible term, there's a 1 month term, and also a 3 month term. So if you do a flexible term, that's going to be a lower interest rate that you could earn. And then as you go up to longer terms, you'll earn more and more interest. Now, there's also the amount that you stake. So if you stake less than $400, there's certain interest rates. And if you stake $4,000, there's going to be more, and there's even a 40,000 or more section that you could stake to get even a higher interest rate.
Yeah. So the more you stake, the more crow you stake, the better the interest rate that you will be getting for the cryptocurrency that you actually stake. But just keep in mind that you don't have to stake any crow in order to take part of this staking to get some passive income. But that's just for people who want to hold large amounts of crow to actually get better interest rates. But if you're someone that you already own some Bitcoin or some Ethereum and just want to make some money off of it, there's actually no crow stake requirement. You can just go ahead and stake it. It's just the interest you're making on it, it's not going to be as high as if you were to stake crow. So, let's talk about some of the interest rates on some of the Bitcoins like Bitcoin. So if you were to stake Bitcoin for 1 month, then you can make 3%. The good thing about crypto.com is that they pay out their interest every 7 days and they pay you the interest in the coin that you stake. So if you stake some Bitcoin, then your interest is going to get paid out in Bitcoin. And currently, right now, the rates you will be getting 3% if you do it for the 1 month term. If you do choose to do the 3 month term, you'll get a little bit more. So now they're holding your coins, for 3 months, and now you can make 4.5%.
All right, and then another coin that's popular is Ethereum. So, for example, on a 1 month term, you could earn 4.5%. And if you choose to do the longer 3 month term, you could earn 5.5%.
Yeah, and then there's also a lot of good stable coins that they'll pay you interest for. So, one big stable coin that a lot of people use is the USDC coin from Coinbase, which you can actually stake in crypto.com and actually make 8%. So this one tracks the US dollar. So basically $1 will get you one USD coin. So you can put your money in there and stake it for a month, make 8%, or stake it for 3 months and actually make 10%, which, at the times we're currently at right now, I've not heard any bank who's paying you 10% on any dollar amount that you might have in the bank. So if it's something that you're already doing, why not make some passive income and stake it and make some money?
And then another one that is popular is Polygon. And if you do a 1 month stake, you could earn 8%. And if you do a 3 month stake, you could earn 10%. So this is another one that you can make a pretty high interest rate on. So it's a good one to look into.
And for all you Shiba army out there, you can actually stake your Shiba Inu on crypto.com and actually make some interest off of it. So if you stake it for 3 months, you'll get 2%. However, if you stake it for 1 month, you can make 1%. Or if you don't want to tie up your money, you just want to have it flexible and actually be able to withdraw it whenever you want. You'll make 0.5% on your Shiba. So one thing about the interest paid out by crypto.com is that it is straight interest and not compound interest. So one way to make it work, and one thing that I do actually is, I'll stake my coins for either a month or 3 months, and then I let all the interest accumulate on my wallet. And once, the term ends, they release my coins back into my wallet. I take all the coins, so my original plus the interest, and then I restake them. So that's one way to kind of have it compound. So I just keep that process going because crypto.com is not going to do that for you. So just keep that in mind when you're, staking your coins, that it's going to be straight interest. But of course, you know, this isn't investment advice. Do your own research before you start investing. Go on the website, check them out. If you're already doing it, just why not earn some passive income off of it?
All right, so thank you guys for listening to this episode. If you like this content, please consider sharing it with a friend. Download, follow, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.